Guys, so today we're going to be organizing our fidgets. It's just me today. My sister is playing with the new Squishmallows we got. There'll be a video with those later. Still in the process. And I just want to show you the new tangles we just got today. This is the first one. This is the second one. More of our new fidgets are going to come next week, so be on the lookout. So what we have to organize them, all of our fidgets, from the broken heart poppet to the jumbo butterfly poppet. We have this. We're planning to put the poppets in here, but that wasn't pretty. They're not gonna fit, and we do not like banging poppets. So here we're gonna put all the other fidgets like wacky tracks, snappers, our DIY simple dimple, yeah. Here we have this tub where we're planning to put all our poppets and our dimples, except our mini unicorn poppet and the avocado dimple. Okay. Here we have something that my sister made at school. I really don't know when she made it. To put fidgets. Okay. And in here, I was planning to put not the DIY, the simple dimple, because this is such. It might look like really old and bendy, but it's a really good dimple. In here, I was planning to put massage rings, wacky tracks, not the magnets, because they're attracted to the massage rings, and the massage rings could break from the power or the force or something like that. Also, the fidget cubes. Oh, you guys can see. And a whole bunch of other stuff we have. And in here, you can see that I have tape. We're planning to put things like the tangles, the new fidgets, and snapper maybe, and the poppet and dimple. Here it is. So let's get started. So first of all, I made these labels which says poppets and dimples, and I'm gonna tape that right there. That's perfect. Okay, I'm blanking out of it. I think I am losing my mind because I'm doing this with one hand. It's not the straightest, but things aren't perfect, and this label probably might come off, but it's okay. As long as it's on, it's fine. So for the next label, I drew a heart, because these are where our favorite fidgets are gonna go. We don't want anybody to steal them or stuff like that, and we want them to stay hidden and not get lost. So I'm gonna put a heart here. And while you guys are watching me do this, watching me struggle, comment if you can what kind of fidgets you bring to school, and if you have any fidgets. I don't bring fidgets to school because but my sister does. So now that we're done with that, let's start organizing. Okay, so recently, I'll talk to you guys while we're doing this. Recently we installed CapCut because we've only used YouTube Shorts to edit, and now we're editing most of our videos, the videos that we feel like it and that we know or that might get a lot of views. Okay, this is an amazing poppet. I have no idea where I got it. but this is good on both sides. The heart poppet, the heart gel poppet, that's our first heart gel poppet. This was our first like really bad poppet, because if you'd pop it on carpet, it'd be like super weird. This was our first poppet. Peppa Pig. Everyone loves Peppa Pig. And then the dimple digits. The crab dimple. Oh, great. I'm not so good at popping it with one hand, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Now, the big glitter pastel amazing butterfly poppet. We are done. Look how good that looks. I love it. Next on, let's move on to these. So in here, I'm gonna put some massage rings for, that's weird. I thought we had 5. It's probably in my backpack. Not my school backpack, but like, okay. Anyways, massage rings are marble mesh, very lonely. Fun fact, we gave the other one to a friend. She still has it though, but it's okay. Wacky track number 1, wacky track number 2, and my favorite, the green and orange. We recently haven't been making a lot of videos. Our new posting schedule is on the weekends, and yeah. Okay. Simple nipple, no. Because we want to stay focused on school. So yeah. Stress ball. The race car. Oh great, it's already getting full. Maybe not the stress ball. The DNA ball, the broken DNA ball. Will that close? Oh yeah. Let's get the stress ball. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Okay, since it's heavy, I was supposed to do this with 2 hands. Lift it, turn it, close it, and just like that. Look how pretty that looks. It matches so it blends in perfectly. Okay. Pop it. Obviously, we love that pop it. The avocado dimple. Love it. Ew, I can't spin a fidget spinner. DIY dimple. There we go. Snapper. Tangle number 1. Tangle number 2. Now that I think of it, I should probably put it in neater, or else it might not fit. Is that gonna close? Oh, it is. Okay, it is, so don't worry. I'm gonna fix the tangles real quick. Oops, that transition did not work. I didn't press the right button. Anyways, continuing on, now I'll fix the tangles. Okay, tangles. Back in the original position. There we go. Close it up. Perfect. Put it in there. Perfect. Close it up. Perfect. And done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want only, I guess. And yeah, bye.